Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by prepping the hardware and initiating pairing. First, make sure the remote has fresh batteries. Weak cells often cause failures. Power cycle the Fire TV and wait 30 to 60 seconds so the system is fully booted. Once done, stand within 6 feet of the device and press and hold the home button for 10 seconds to force Bluetooth pairing. If you see a light or menu response, you've triggered pairing and can move on to device confirmation. Next, you'll tackle intermediate fixes if basic pairing fails. Open settings on the Fire TV and navigate to controllers and Bluetooth devices to remove any ghost entries that conflict. Unpaired devices free the Bluetooth stack. Make sure the Fire TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi and install the Fire TV app as an alternative control method while you troubleshoot. If needed, perform a remote factory reset by holding back menu and left for 10 seconds. This clears memory and often restores reliable pairing. To finish, repair the remote through settings, add new remote, then press and hold home for 10 seconds. You should see the remote appear on screen. Once paired, test navigation and voice if available. If intermittent problems persist, remove local interference by moving Wi-Fi extenders, Bluetooth speakers, or large metal objects away from the Fire TV. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, try a known good replacement remote or use the app. Persistent failure usually indicates a hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.